How to install StarMaker app. So if you want to install StarMaker app, then first of all, you can check your internet connection, and once it's stable, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've opened, now here on the upper side, you will have a search bar. Tap on that and then search for StarMaker. And after searching, here you will have StarMaker Karaoke app. Tap on that, and then if you want to install this application, you can simply tap on install, and after tapping on install, it will start installing or downloading. You can tap on not now, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's downloaded, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and then you can create your account or log into your account and use StarMaker to sing your songs. So that's it. That's how you download your StarMaker application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.